Hey YouTube kittens, it's Cathy, and today I'm gonna do another unboxing with Romwe. And this time they gave me a huge box. This is gonna be exciting. Romwe is an online fashion store and they've worked with me before. And actually what I like about Romwe, they watch my videos, they like my videos, and they send me stuff again. So there we are, there's this time a massive box. Check this out. This is the biggest box they ever sent me, so I'm so excited to unbox this with you. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're into fashion hauls and that kind of stuff, because I do loads of that on my channel, and also I do stories from my life here in Japan, so don't forget to subscribe now, so you don't miss the future videos that are coming up soon. Join the kitten club. Let's unbox. It's actually really heavy. The theme of today's haul is actually going to be kawaii and cozy, because it is still quite cold. This is one of the coldest and kind of longest winters I've experienced in a while, so I wanted to have things that are cute that go into the kawaii corner, and also things that are kind of cozy and nice to wear. If you're curious about Romwe, this one is actually from Romwe, and the tentacle hoodie behind me, that's also from Romwe. Let's open this. Bring! On that note, let's have a look. Number one! Looks already super cozy. Oh, that's the one! Look! It's a bathrobe, but it has bunny ears. And I must confess, I have no bathrobe in Japan. Okay, I'm gonna put on all of the items that you can see here, apart from maybe that one right on top. I'm gonna show you how they look worn. So in a moment, you can see how they look warm. Just stay on till the end so you know how they look worn. So a snuggly bathrobe, and it has pockets here. Obviously also comes with a belt. And it has two different colors. It has like a blue and a white that you can see. Oh, I'm so glad. And I love things with ears, so it's cozy and it's comfortable, and you can use this all the way through the year, like when you hop out of the shower, if you just want to get cozy at home. It's really good. Next item, shoeing. That's actually not in the kawaii and cozy section, but I wanted it anyways. Look! Cat tights! Everyone always has cat tights, and I'm Cathy Cat, and I saw the cat tights and I was like, it's not kawaii and cozy, but I want it anyways. Look at it. Now, I've seen quite a lot of girls with those tights that they look like you're wearing suspenders, but actually they're tights. Look, it says cat on it, and on the other side there is actually a cat. Meow. Look. Continuing the kawaii and cozy section. Ta-da! What could this be? Rip you open! Rip you open now! Okay, look at this material. If you see this material, you know instantly it is gonna be nice and warm. And look! Ta-da! Again, it has ears. Everything with ears has the kawaii factor. Now this one here is actually like an over jacket, and it's in pink, and it has a little bunny tail as well. And if you see my Instagram, I have this large white coat. That's a bunny coat. But I wanted something in a different color as well, that is not as taking up so much space, because the coat is very it takes up a lot of space. So I've got this one here, and just look how cozy and snuggly it is. I mean, I think it could actually be bear ears or cat ears, I don't know, but it has ears. I don't care, ears are cute. All ears are super cute. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this on top of, and this nice thing is you can wear this on top of Harajuku fashion as well, because it's pink and it's cute and it's so snuggly. Ta-da! Now this item, that is not just kawaii and cozy, you can wear this all through the year. But you can see already, Cathy Cat has done this again. There is something cat themed in here, can you see it? Ta-da! It's a cat hoodie that they did, and I found it adorable because it has like a little bit of black detailing here in the arms, like as if you're having black paws, and then it has the cat part here at the front, like a large cat part here, and then look on the pull strings. It's little paws. So you have like little paws dangling from the top here. Isn't that super cute? I love things like that. And again, it has a hood, and it has a hood with ears. What I find really cute is on the back it has a little bow. It feels much more cottony than this one here. This one has a real plastic feel to it, but this one here feels different. It feels drier to the touch as well, so I like that. Ta-da! So another item, and this item actually was already sold out in white. So when they contacted me, they said, I'm sorry, we're gonna send you this without the item. And it's like, do you have it in any other color? Because I really want it. Okay, oh, that's exactly what I wanted. Exactly exactly what I wanted. Did I already say that's exactly what I wanted? This is a hoodie, and as you see, just like this is kind of cool. It has like a little bunny here as a mark. Inside, the material is like soft, and it's really, really soft and fluffy. Can you see that? That kind of fluffy material. So inside it actually has another layer of a material that will keep you warm as well. But check out the hood. Check out the hood. Check out the hood. Check out the hood. Did you see the hood? There it is again. It is a huge bunny hood. How cool is that? It's the kind of kawaii that you can still pull off in the kind of cool style. It has pockets on the front. I love having pockets on the front. Oh, I'm so glad they still had this one in this color. Guys, you need to be quick with this one. This might get sold out super quickly. Oh, just look at that. Oh, I can't wait to wear that one. This is gonna tell you a lot about my hobbies. Because the last one is... Da-dun. It's rainbow. It has ears. What could this be? Now, this one is. It's a unicorn. It's a unicorn, but it's not just a unicorn. It's a unicorn, rainbow unicorn onesie. If you watch some of my older videos, you know that I wear those onesies quite a lot at home because they're cozy and they're cute. And I saw that they had a rainbow unicorn onesie, and how could I say no to that? It's a rainbow unicorn onesie. It's like everything a girl ever dreams of. At least I do. So it's a rainbow unicorn onesie. Isn't it amazing? Look at that. Look at that. It's a unicorn. And you've seen the items. I think it's time to try them on. So let's try them on. Get the cat transformation time. And this is the Kawaii and Cozy bathrobe. It is so nice and warm and so cozy. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy I got this. The rope actually ties through little hoops here, so it doesn't get lost. So you can open it. It doesn't get lost. And also, it has pockets, left and right. It has pockets here, which means I can put my smartphone inside because I can't be without my smartphone. So yeah, that's another thing. And the hood, look, the little bunny hood. So that one is just the extra little comfort and warmth and niceness of this one. I love it. And it's already so warm, like I popped it on, it's so nice and warm. So that right thing straight after the shower, or just when you feel cozy and nice and warm at home. Okay, and now let's go to item number 2. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely my favorite. Just look at the cute little cat tights down here. They're actually surprisingly warm. They're a lot warmer than I thought they would be. And also up here, look at the top and the skirt and the whole combo. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got this. Look at this. Look at this tiny ears and the tiny paws here. I think that's definitely my favorite so far. I definitely want to like already wear this out. Can you see all of this? Just look at this. Look at the little cat ears here, cat. Everything works together so well. Oh my god, I love this. The skirt is actually something I got from my last haul at Romwe. So everything, this is like a whole Romwe coordinate I'm wearing right now. But Cathy cat, because another cat item. Cathy cat, get another cat item. Well, this is exciting. This is exciting. Oh, I'm so happy. But there is still more. There's still more, guys. So let's have a look at another item. Let's go. So we are here at the soft and cozy warm fleece top. Fleecy warm top. I love fleece, keeps you so nice in winter, nice and warm in winter and in the colder days. So this one actually I want to use as a jacket as well for the winter times. So as you can see, I'm wearing this with Harajuku fashion style, and the nice thing is it has like a zip, like a very much stronger plastic pull string here at the bottom, like here. So it kind of flops out a little bit, which I find is cute. It has tiny pockets here, so you can put like little things inside. And it has a bunny bum. Can you see that? Lovely. So yeah, that is gonna be my new jacket. And then what I want to do, maybe put here a couple of accessories, because I have lots of accessories that can go, and just put that on. And it keeps me warm in a Harajuku fashion world, because they're very cold still in winter. So that's a nice thing to have during the colder months. And if you want to, you just put up the ears. And now we're up to the pink bunny sweater that I wanted, and it's so nice inside. I love it how it's really soft inside, and then it kind of sporty outside. And it has a little pull string here, and it's a little bit shorter than the other cat top, so it comes like around a little bit more sporty. Has the little bunny detail here on the side, so you actually know what you're doing. And of course on the back, I wanted this one so much. I'm so glad I got it. And just look at that. That makes for some really cool Instagram pictures. I can't wait to put this on Instagram. That is the bunny top, so soft and fuzzy, and kind of like the sporting yesterday. It comes up. I have really long arms, so it comes a bit shorter on my arms. Maybe get it in a size larger for you if you wanted to fit it for you properly. And pockets at the front. Hop, 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 hop. Let's go for the final item. Let's go. Oh, I love this one. It's so soft. It's so soft. And look at the rainbow colors. And a rainbow unicorn. I'm so entertained by this, and it's actually really comfortable. It's kawaii and cozy, exactly what I wanted. Just look at this. I'm a unicorn. I'm a unicorn. I'm a unicorn. Look, it even has like a little tail here. Can you see my tail? You'll like to see my tail. Because we're friends, you'll like to see my tail. Those items, all of them, I love them so much. So those were the 5 kawaii and cozy items plus the tights, which I always wanted anyways. So from Romwe, if you're not curious and want to get your own items, they're actually quite reasonable in price. There are lots of links in the box below. Be sure to find them also. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this. This was a real fun haul. I'm really glad I got so many kawaii and cozy items. Kawaii and cozy items! Because now I'm gonna stay warm because my electricity bill last month was terrible because I put the heating on so much because it was so cold, but now I have one close, so it should be fine. I wish you a lovely kawaii and cozy time too. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the box below about which item maybe is something that you'd like to get, or what is your most cozy and kawaii item that you have at home. I'm curious to find out. Look forward to reading your comments, and do what you love and love what you do. Bye!